Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this quick video, we're tackling something pretty basic. We will learn how to import PDF maps into ArcGIS Pro. If you have PDF map files and want to use them in GIS environment, stay with us until the end of this video. We will show you how to convert these maps into TIFF format. Okay, to begin, we open ArcGIS Pro. As you know, the Add Data option let us import various data formats to the software, so let's give it a try. As you can see, it's not possible to add PDF format directly to the software, because a PDF is essentially just an image of a map. It's visually helpful, but it might not contain the actual location data that ArcGIS Pro needs. So, even if I see the latitude and longitude markings on the PDF map, that doesn't mean that the PDF itself has the data embedded. Instead, TIFFs are more GIS friendly, so we need to convert our PDF to TIFF format. Okay, for conversion we should go to the Analysis tab. It's kind of tucked away in the Tools section, so we click on the Tools option. Now, all we have to do is just use the search bar and type PDF to TIFF and it will pop right up. If you pay attention, it's the Conversion Tool subset. Make sure you found the right command. So I click on and open it. It's pretty straightforward. In the Input PDF File section, I select our PDF file. If by any chance you didn't see the PDF file, click on the refresh available in the window. So I select the file to import it. Now you can choose where you want to save the new TIFF file for the output section. If needed, you can change it. Some PDFs are password-protected PDFs, which is a common security measure, especially for sensitive data. If your PDF has a password, you'll need to enter it at this stage. The tool also shows you how many pages are in the PDF. Each page of the PDF will be converted to a separate TIFF file, so knowing the page count just helps you keep things organized. Imagine you had like a 50-page PDF, you'd end up with 50 TIFFs. So I'll let other options remain as default and hit the run. Note that if your PDF file has a coordinate system, your TIFF will be saved with coordinates. The warning displayed indicates that our file does not have the coordinate system, and the saved TIFF file is also stored without the coordinate system. Using the coordinates written on the map, we have to georeference it. If you don't know how, take a look at our previous videos. Thank you for joining. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, just comment down the video.